Hey guys, welcome to our newest video. Today we're going to be working on a VIP Future Champion from 2007. We're going to be taking the plastics off and then we're going to try and get it running today. So, welcome back guys. I just got all the plastic off. I got the air box off. I just cleaned out the carburetor. Had a little bit of sand in it, but it's all cleaned out. Got some new gas in the tank and now I'm going to try and start it. Well, that started real nice. Aw, come on. Come on, get it up. There we go. Now that we got that going, guys, we're going to start on working on this brake handle. We're going to get all new cables in it, new brake cable, new throttle cable, because that was shot, it broke in half. And then we're going to put all the plastics on if all that works out. So I just got done installing the new front brake handle and bleeding it. Now I'm going to see if the front brake works. That's good news, it works just fine. Now I'm going to move on to fixing the rear brake cable because that's...
A few moments later. Hey!
Okay guys, so we just got all the cables in. We got a new rear brake cable. We got a new front brake handle and the reservoir for it. We got new throttle cable. So we're going to start right up with the starter button too. So that seems all good. I think we're ready to hit the streets. I think it's because the drums work. I think it doesn't do that though. Well, you don't feel it. I think the drum brakes are like actually. Anyways.
Are we gonna turn it on?
We need to go get jumping.
Get rollers.
Come back here. Yeah, I think it may be a problem.
Why is it locking up?
Because it's warped.
Did it do this when you got it?
Yeah. It's just because the brakes are warped.
Warped?
Warped.
Oh, so they're bad.
It's fine. It's rocks coming down. Oops, my bad. How am I supposed to grab this? Well,
Maybe red on red and black on black.
those are going to have to come off. When you start it, don't kill it. Shoot. I'll start it. The connections are kind of shitty, so I'm going to take you. Come on, you had it.
Don't give it gas.
Yep. Hold on. So yeah, so it'll just start on its own.
It wants to.
Come on.
Damn.
Yeah, I think pulls, bro.
Damn, that thing is quick.
Yeah.
Faster!
Oh my gosh. That's crazy. Dude, that was good. I don't know. Damn. Holy
I
shit.
think I may need to buy an expensive belt. I think it's smoking the belt right now.
Oh,
Oh, because the battery came out.
well, that's how I crashed the first time I did.
Oh
The
my.
battery back in there. Okay, I gotta go though. My dad's gonna start.
Okay.
I'm really sorry for crashing.
No, it's good.
Toby, your moped's over there.
I'm grabbing my phone.
We gotta bring it back to the car. Oh, what the hell?
I think it's good.
What the hell? Wait, hold on my phone. What happened?
One of these screws in there, right here, it totally shattered off. So it doesn't want to turn that way. You're going to have to try and turn that way. Yeah, it doesn't want to turn the whole way.
How much air did I get?
I don't know, I didn't see. Bro, you killed it again. Or I guess Toby killed it last time, bro. Tough break.
How much air did I get?
I don't know.
Holy crap. Well, you know, I gotta freaking push it all the way down.
Yeah. Really lean back on it. Okay. Okay. So guys, if you're wondering how we start this great machine we have here that has no problems and always works right on command.
Oh my gosh.
Don't laugh at me like that. I actually cut myself. Just being serious.
Where? Oh my gosh.
It's
That looks serious.
I think I'm gonna bleed out.
Is he gonna get infected? You gonna get impetigo?
No. Don't joke. I can actually. Those people at school can actually.
Where's it at?
Don't touch that. So guys, if you ever wonder how we start this great machine, we start by grounding it somewhere on there, and then you just hook it straight up to the starter.
You sure it's gonna start?
Wait, if you can get gas in it, it's actually
Should be good by now.
there it is.
Is it back?
Hey, let's go. Alright. Watch out if you take off. Oh, that's not a good thing. Alright.
Looks good to me.
Hey guys, welcome back. So this is the second time after we have cleaned the carburetor out that this piece of shit has broke down on us again. So guys,
Oh my god.
we're gonna have to take it back to the shop and we're gonna have to fix it again because it broke.
I just snapped it off.
Yep, that's okay. It was a piece of shit from the start. So Toby, you know what's going on here? The fucking carburetor. Oh, I'm sorry. You can beep that out. Fucking hell, bro. This thing is.
It just died again?
Yeah, it just fucking died again.
Look what I did.
Yeah.
Justin. You can't just rip it out.
I can't. This won't come off.
Do you have pliers? Wait, this is open?
Yeah, actually, it does open, Toby.
Oh.
No, there's no pliers in it. Excuse me.
There we go. We even need that.
I'm Sorry, baby girl.
Oh, I just lost that in there. It's gone now.
That's okay. I think these are useful for some.
Do we just even need this? Because I don't think it's gonna, you know. What was that? Oh shit.
Hey guys, we're back at the shop now after my crash out. We're going to try and get this carburetor off.
What are we doing with it?
So on this particular carburetor, you see this right here? It's all mangled up. You gotta take it. Oh my, that is really on there. You really kind of gotta finagle your way out. So you gotta start at the tip.
Or you could just take it out.
Well, you have to bend it. Oh, there you go. And once you got it bent out of the way.
Is it time to replace the carburetor?
Yes, it is. You can take your pliers and you can wiggle that out of your way. You got this. No, that doesn't go to screw or anything.
I think it plugs in from right here or something.
Does it?
Somewhere right here.
Right here. I don't really want to redo this. I'm pretty sure it unplugs.
I just unplug this.
Well, I'm pretty sure you could just rip this out.
No, because with mine you can't just do that.
Okay, whatever you. This carburetor is really a piece of shit. Don't you think? And now we gotta go outside.
What are we doing?
We gotta dump any gas out that's still up there.
We could burn it out.
No, this thing's really, really delicate. It doesn't like when you beat on it.
Oh, you could just take it off right here. You dumbass.
What did you just say to me?
Nothing.
You know how mad I am right now?
I'm sorry. Please don't beat me up.
I don't beat my friends up. Good thing I'm not friends with you. Yep, there's definitely still gas in there. It's really, really cold. Oh!
That's pretty nice.
Piece of shit doesn't work for. I think it's just a piece of shit.